Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. We'll demonstrate on a 2016 Ford F-150 that we have right here. We will need to work in two different fuse boxes today, guys, okay? The first fuse box will be located right under the hood. When you open the hood in your Ford F-150, guys, on the left side behind the car battery, right there, you have that fuse cover. You can see it right there. That fuse cover, you will need to open it. Once you open it, you see your fuse layout just like that. This one will be the front of the truck, this is towards the back. Let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays now. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So you can see how you guys have different kinds of fuses and relays, right? Those could be really hard to find if you get stuck in a small town or something like that. They can be really pricey, so we recommend to keep some spares in the glove box. If you need to buy some relays, fuses, guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can get them at a really good price, guys, so we'll have it in the description of the video. Now we will need to work in that fuse box, that fuse panel right here in the front fuse box, the one under the hood. And if you come in the left row, from bottom to top will be that second fuse that you need to check, that 10M fuse known as fuse number 39. Now we have another fuse that you need to check, and it's inside the truck. Okay, that's on the passenger footwell, and by that kick panel right here, if you remove the cover, okay, you will see your fuse box will be exposed just like that, guys. You can see that's your fuse box. So what do we need to check here? Which fuse we need to check here specifically for that? If you come here, guys, you can see they start 1, 2, 3, then they go 4, 5, 6, and then they jump to 9, because you have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can see how they go, okay, crazy like that. But the fuse that we'll need to check is fuse number 17. We're talking about that fuse, double fuse right here. So that's the one that you need to check as well. That's number fuse 17, but it's connected with fuse 18. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.